Hey, pretties, happy Friday. Welcome to Coffee Chats. I'm a little bit behind on Christmas, I'm not gonna lie. I had all these grandiose plans. I've been talking about it since before Thanksgiving, that I was gonna be super prepared this year. I was gonna get all my shopping done early. I scheduled everything. I have a little schedule hanging on the refrigerator with everything penciled into it. And yet here I am, it's December 14th, and I still feel like I'm behind. So anyway, I've got some baking to do, I've got some shopping to do, and I've got some wrapping to do. And I'm hoping you guys can help me out on the baking front today. I have my tried and true recipes. We have our things that we do every single year that are kind of our traditional recipes that we use. And they're the things that our family expects. So I make these little cornflake wreaths, which when people see them are like, that looks so gross because it's like green cornflakes with marshmallows. So they're kind of like a Rice Krispie treat, but you make them with cornflakes instead of Rice Krispies. But they're so good. They're addictive. And every time somebody tries them, they're like, oh my gosh, I love these things so much. So we'll be doing our cornflake wreaths. I usually do like a white chocolate covered Chex Mix kind of thing. So, rice Chex, corn Chex, Cheerios. Sometimes I put M&Ms in it. It's a little bit sweet when I do that. Dry roasted peanuts, pretzels. So it's kind of like the sweet and salty mix. We love that stuff. I do peppermint bark. Aubrey did truffles last year, which were really good. She did a coconut truffle and she did some peanut butter truffles. She also did some salted caramel toffee, which is so tempting to me. I can eat all of that myself. I usually do spiced nuts, and last weekend I made a tin, probably about this big, of spiced nuts, and we've eaten almost all of them already, so I'm gonna have to do another batch of those. Cookies, we usually do, our traditional cookies, I do chocolate chip, peanut butter, the peanut butter blossoms with the Hershey Kiss on top, which are my favorite. We also do, last year I made some almond thumbprint cookies. I love those. That almond extract smell reminds me of my grandmother's house at Christmas time, because her neighbor always made just like the most beautiful Christmas cookies. And I strive to be like her one day, but I'm just not that fancy. But yeah, those are our go-tos. And I'm looking to add some new recipes into the mix. So if you have something that you have taken to a cookie exchange or that you make every year for your family or whatever, I would love for you to share the recipe with me. We had a really good post on Instagram, I'm gonna say a week or two ago, where we had some cookie recipes shared, and I found a few in there that I wanna try too. So I would love for you guys to share. If you're on Facebook, share the links with me if you have them. If you're on Instagram, you can always DM me a link. I would love to see those. So please give me some ideas and inspiration. I'm gonna get some ingredients. I think I'm gonna do my baking next Monday, because I like to do it not too far in advance, yet far enough in advance that we get to eat the stuff and enjoy it and make up little packages for neighbors and friends and family. So I'm gonna get into that next week, which leads me into my next topic. I will be taking my break. I'm taking my winter break. I do one every December and July. I try to take at least 2 weeks off where I just kind of do nothing, except obviously I have to do all this personal stuff and get ready for Christmas and do our shopping and things. Do you guys know when the cutoff is for shipping? I think it's traditionally around December 16th, but I don't know, it probably varies by retailer. I wanted to do all my shopping online this year, and that was the goal, like get out ahead of it, do it all online, get it all shipped in time, but I don't know if that's going to happen or not. So I'm probably going to have to get out and actually physically go into the stores and go into the mall, which is such a beating. But Craig and I have a tradition where we take a day off and just kind of go do it together, have a nice lunch together. And so we're kind of looking forward to doing that. All right, so some housekeeping news. Registration closes tonight on the Winter 2018 Style Challenge. So if you want to get on that, please sign up. It's a lot of fun. We are already styling some cute outfits in the Facebook group while we fill our time before the official outfits start. If you don't have time to get everything on the shopping list, don't stress over it. You can sit back and watch and get inspired. You probably got a lot of pieces in your closet that you can shop from and style those. I mentioned that I will be on my break. I plan to be taking a break through the first of the year. So I'll be back in January and got lots of cool stuff planned in January. So I'm going to give you guys a couple little sneak peeks of what we've got going on. I'm going to be doing a makeup class. So this year has been the year where I really worked to get out of my makeup rut. So I'm going to be sharing 10 of the tips and tricks that I've learned this year that have really just made a difference in the way that I'm doing my makeup. I am also doing a hair video. I know I've been teasing this forever and saying I'm going to do this hair video. I just got my hair cut, so I've got bangs now. And this was like a totally spur of the moment, last minute decision. I wanted to go a little bit darker with my hair color like I do for fall and winter. And I'm a little bit late on that this year. I usually do it in October. But I took some pictures into my hairstylist and I said, I want to do something different with my hair, but I don't want to chop it off like I always do. And there were a few cute photos of some bangs, and she's like, why don't we do some face framing? And I was like, oh, I don't know. I haven't had bangs in like 10 years. So I was super nervous, and she pulled them out and cut off like this much hair. So I'm still playing around with them, still figuring them out. So far, I've found 3 different ways to wear them. I can wear them swept off to the side. I can wear them straight down, or I can wear them like in a curtain style where they go half and half on my face. But so far, so good. I'm liking them. I think it's fun, especially when I wear a ponytail because it's got this little bit of fringe to play with. So yeah, if you're contemplating a hair change, maybe bangs is the solution. I didn't expect to do this, but I'm kind of happy about it now. So anyway, I will be doing a hair video. I'll show you how I curl my hair. It's basically the same that I've always done whenever I didn't have bangs. But I will show you which wand I use and how I use it, and share that with you. Also, I will be doing, I'm going to be a guest on some podcasts in January. I'm super excited about this, and I'll be sharing those with you. I'm working on my book proposal. Things are moving to the next steps with that, so I'll keep you guys posted on news as I have it. And the most exciting thing that is going on is I'm going to be doing a life coaching challenge with this community. It's going to be free. I think we're going to wait until February 1st to start that because it's going to be a 28-day challenge and there'll be something different going on every day. But I will keep you guys posted on that too and let you know how you can get signed up for it. We'll be doing daily coffee chats during that, and I'm just really excited to share it with you because it is quite possibly one of my favorite challenges. So anyway, that's all I got for you today. Please share your recipes with me. Again, I'm going to be taking a break for a couple weeks. Hope to get all my shopping done and all my baking done. And I said to Craig this morning, like, I have this nightmare that we're going to wake up on Christmas morning. Our kids are going to each have like 2 gifts under the tree and they're not going to be wrapped. So that's where I'm at right now, but it'll all get done. Deep breaths. All right. Thanks for tuning in this morning, and I will see you guys after the new year. Bye.